over. Come on, Garrett. You get to write with the chalk. You hold on to the chalk, okay, buddy? Okay, so you just start on one end of your property. This leg can start anywhere, because this is what our reference point is going to be, is this right here. We want to find level with every point. That's going to make our contour line. Okay, so let's find level. We put this on here. Now this is the old-fashioned way of doing it with the weight, but it takes too long. This is a landscaper's way to do it much faster. So we want the bubble in the middle. So you move the second leg. So let go of the A-frame string for a sec. Move the second leg until that bubble's level. I can't see. Not yet. It's got to be right in the center. Watch out, Garrett. We're going to move it this way, sweetie. Are we going the right way, or do we need to go downhill? Make it worse? I can't see you. Can you hold this? Thank you. Okay, so let's go up. Perfect. Almost.
Good.
We want it just right, because we got to find perfectly level. Okay, so come here, Garrett. Hey, come here. You're going to write an X right here. Put an X right there. Make a mark with the chalk. Oh, this is so good. Look at that. Good job, buddy. You can see. That's okay. That's okay. I grabbed the wrong color. Good job. Okay, hold on to the chalk. Okay, so then you take the first leg. Hold on to that. Take the first leg and put it on that mark. Do the same thing again. Let's find level. We're finding the points, okay, on your property. Go up. Almost. It's almost there. It's just a little bit.
Good, Mom.
Is that good enough? Okay, come here, Garrett. Right here, buddy. Let's make an X right there. Okay, it's pretty close. Good job, Garrett. Okay, hang on to the chalk. All right, go again. Put your leg on this one, right, Connor? Okay, let's find level. And when you're doing this, okay, you're going to mark them either with a stick or a rock, but make sure the kids don't move that because you don't have to do this again. And then I'll explain to you how far apart you do them to find the lines on your property. Holy moly.
What?
Look at that sky.
Make a mark right there.
Make a mark.
Right there.
Right here. Let's bring the chalk.
Hey.
Come here.
Hey.
Garrett, right here. Make a mark. Right there. Come on, Garrett. We found a new toy. Okay. All right. So in my garden here, this is how I judge how far apart to make the contour lines. If I was on Becky's property that are 40 acres, okay, I'd probably do them every 20 to 30 to 40 feet. Because I don't really need to move water that close together. But on a little property here, you see how close together they are? So that's how I would make my contour lines. And see how they wind around on contour like that? So let's pretend that we're on the property in there. It's just easier to do it here because it's so nice and flat. So we go down. What do you think I'm doing? 6 feet?
Oh, that's closer to 8 or 10.
Okay,
You
let's
go
do
off
10
of-
feet.
You go off of this mark and try.
Yes. I'm just kind of guessing from those marks there. I'm going to go about 10 feet down. So I'm going to start here again, any point there. So let's mark it here. Who's got the chalk? Okay, Garrett. There we go. Okay, so now you're going to mark that in, Connor. You want to help Connor, Garrett? Help Connor, cutie. All right, beautiful. What do you do next? There we go. Dad knows how to do it. Okay, you mark over there when he's ready. I keep getting more wood chips in my boot.
Okay.
All right. And you know what? Because this
Let go,
is
Garrett.
pretty flat, you
Let
can
go.
almost guess
Let
if
go.
you couldn't see
Let
that
go.
over there. But whatever they do over here, they're going to be parallel over
Let
there.
go.
It's okay, you guys. It's okay, Mr. Garrett. It's all right, sweetie. Okay, see what we're doing? We're marking on the bottom of the legs each time, okay? See that? Okay, go ahead, Connor. Beautiful. So we'll only do these two. You want to do one more over there and see if it does anything different? One more.
I'm gonna guess it's gonna match that mark.
Usually. You can see how this finds level. It finds your contour lines, okay? Okay, Connor, will you connect the dots together? You want to have an actual line. Connect the dots. Good job. Don't worry if you're not perfectly straight. I never am either. Are you having fun, Garrett? One more. more right there. Here. Hey, Garrett, I got a fun thing for you to do.
Go.
Right here. Let's connect these dots right
Flood the
there.
water.
All right, look at that. So those are our contour lines, okay? We marked them with a flag. We found them about 10 feet apart because we're doing a small kitchen garden like this. So we're gonna flow water back and forth on these lines, right? Because that's level. Now if these weren't level and the water would only flow this direction, this wouldn't get watered over here. So that's why you have to find level, okay? So the water stops at 90 degrees, it always stops. It flows to each side and spreads. Then it soaks into the mound that's in front of it. That's a swale. Simple. On contour. Okay, watch out for your head. Come here. Come here. Who wants to do this part? I do. All right. Who thinks that if I take the water, come here, Garrett. Come on, buddy. Did you lose your boot? Oh, goodness. Okay, watch. Look down here. Come here. You watch. You stay right here and look down there. Which way is the water going to go?
It's probably gonna go.
Nope. Try again. Where's the water going to go, Mom and Dad? Where? Well, it's not going to do that because it's not a trench, but which direction is the water going to go here? In fact, I'm going to go a little more over here. Is it going to go downhill the driveway?
Off an angle.
It's literally going to go 90 degrees to each one of our contour lines. Watch. It's so amazing how it works perfectly. Even though I want it to go down that way, but it's not listening to me. It's just not listening. Let's see if there's any little different variances in there. But it always goes back straight 90 degrees to those lines, doesn't it? Isn't that amazing how water knows what to do? It's like water has a brain, and it just knows I'm supposed to follow 90 degrees to these lines. Always does it, okay? In fact, let's go over here to these old ones, okay? Always 90 degrees. I can't make it go any other direction. It always crosses them at 90 degrees. Isn't that beautiful? So when you visualize this, you really understand what you're doing with your water and why you have to, where you're going to make the water flow, make sure that it's going to be 90 degrees on contour to where the water's going to hit it. So that way you know it's always going to cross, hit it perfectly, and spread.